I was given the privilege, nay, the honor to evolve another man's Pokémon. But one does not simply evolve a Pokémon that has never existed. First, we must understand evolution. To evolve, one must embark on a journey of transformation, where the familiar becomes extraordinary, and the ordinary transcends into legend. Evolution is not just a change, it's a metamorphosis, a revolution, a dance of DNA that twirls into the future. And so, with the digital brush in hand, I stand at the precipice of creation, ready to bestow upon this Pokémon a new form, a new destiny. An essential piece to this journey required countless hours of examining meticulous virus illustrations. As the pixels converge, a shape begins to emerge from the abyss on my blank canvas. It's not just an image that I craft, but a creature of infectious power. With each stroke, I imbue it with radness of the champions, the wisdom of the sages, and the courage of the heroes of lore. This Pokémon shall not merely evolve, it shall transcend. The possibilities are boundless as the universe itself, and yet, amidst this whirlwind of potential, a singular truth remains. Evolution is not without its quirks. The way most Pokémon fly in the absence of wings is befuddling to say the least. It was my job to make sense of this. Heath had set the standard, inspired by the great Ken Sugimori, and I did my best to navigate these legendary waters. Or, watercolors, rather. The final touches grace my screen and the Pokémon stands transformed, a beacon of progress and a testament to the power of imagination. It gazes upon this world with new eyes, ready to explore the vast expanse of the digital realm, and I, its humble creator, can't help but laugh at the sheer audacity of evolution. For in the end, isn't that what evolution is all about? A dash of madness, a pinch of chaos, and a whole lot of fun. I present to you, Ilrus.